Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the solutions of this one. So we need to find the domain in here. So s should be greater than or equals to number 0 because this is under the square root. So s that is about the square root of s, everything to the power of 2. So I will put about t equals to the square root of s. So this one we change for t. This one we change for t. Now we need to find determinant. That is about delta equals to b squared minus 4ac. So b that is about number 3. 8 that is about number 2. C that is about negative 15. So we calculate and we have 129. So because this one that is positive, so we have 2 solutions. So that should be about s number 1 equals to negative b, negative of the square root of delta over 2a. So in this one, we have b that is number 3. This one 129. A that is about number 2. So we have number 4. And now we have s number 2. So we can see that this is the square root of s. That means they should be about positive for t. So we need to select this one. And this one equals to the square root of s. This is about t in here. So later that we put the power number 2 for the both sides. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.